Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, 25 acts of love on the home. And today we're going to finish the decorating by doing the tree decorating. So the tree is up and hasn't really been decorated at all, except for the lights are on, but they're not on. And the fire is going. We have two fires going, one on the TV and one fire in real life. But we just got back from the dog park, and Clover should be settling in for a nice long nap. Oh, here he comes because he heard me say his name. Hello. Hello. The viewers are sending you a big hug. Big hug. So now, in addition to all these other snacks and pumpkins, we have these disgusting pill pockets. Luckily, he doesn't need to eat one of these with every pill. I can get like 3 pills in one. I can just break it up a little bit, and he just chomps it right down. So it makes it easier for me to give him his medication. It's so sad. But hopefully we'll start seeing improvement in his symptoms soon, and he'll be less like thirsty and hungry maybe. We'll see. We will see. But you're still cute. Well, the medication will do nothing to affect how cute you are, because you're very cute. Like, super cute. Yes. We got McDonald's breakfast, because why not? Why not? All right. Tree time and eating time.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh, compassion, King, to own him, the King of Kings.
So here's the tree. I want to eat it. No, I don't want to eat it. I think it's so pretty, and I love that we've kind of kept the same ornaments every year, and I love most of all that we have a video up on the internet in which we bought this tree from Michael's. This was like the sample tree, but it was the last one, so they sold it to us for a discount, and that's memorialized on YouTube. I think the video is like 5 or 4 years old at this point. I will link it down below. This is our first Christmas tree that we have both ever owned, and we kind of love it. Like, we don't ever think about replacing it. When the lights went out last year, I was briefly entertaining the idea of replacing it with a different tree, but then we just went out and bought new lights, and it's obviously fine. So, because it was one of those pre-lit trees, but we love it. And while we were decorating the tree, we listened to Messiah, a piece which I think is too long. It's too long. I think a lot of people only do like the first like part and a half and like Hallelujah and like call it a day, because the piece is too darn long. But still one of my favorite pieces to, putter about at Christmas. I'm not singing a Messiah this year. I'm doing a Christmas concert with cantata singers. And by the way, I think a couple of you used my code to get subscriptions to cantata singers. I was just talking to the executive director on Wednesday, and I think that that's wonderful. So if you are looking for some classical music to listen to, classical music, I say classical music in quotes because, like, what is classical music really? Then you can see amazing, all of our concerts are archived on video. The videos are like professionally made videos, and they're available for to watch on Vimeo for a subscription fee. I think a subscription is like really cheap. I can see if I can get it even like cheaper. He told me he can give me like a super good deal. So if you're interested, please leave a comment down below. So if you're interested to what I sound like when I'm not talking to you, when I'm like singing, let me know. So otherwise, I don't have access to any of the opera things. They don't really stream that or have it archived or available for purchase in any way. I think that's something that maybe they're working on. I'm not sure. But if you're interested, let me know. I've been filming for most of the day, and I think this is going to allow me to take a couple days just to chill and rest. But I've really been enjoying doing sort of things for my house. So I've got a couple of things to do on Monday that I think that I've been putting off for ages. Like, this is embarrassing how long I've been putting it off, and it's the dumbest thing, but I think it'll be fun. Maybe. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care of yourselves, the ones around you, and happy holidays.